Meaning of Foreign Service.
Foreign service.
Foreign Service.
Foreign service.
Foreign service. Foreign service refers to the government body responsible for managing a country's diplomatic relations with other nations and international organizations. This includes tasks such as representing the country abroad, negotiating treaties and agreements, providing consular services to citizens living and traveling overseas, and promoting trade and cultural exchange. The members of a foreign service are typically highly trained and knowledgeable about international affairs and languages. Overall, the goal of foreign service is to protect a country's interests and advance its foreign policy goals through effective diplomacy.